Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog of Just Vanning It. We are just left Alice Springs this morning early. We're heading to Medea Springs. It's about 1,000 kilometers. We're going to do as much as we can today with a couple of stops along the way. But if you're enjoying the content, please hit the like and subscribe button and drop any comments in and let us know how we're doing, if we're entertaining you guys and you're enjoying it. That's the only way we're going to find out. So first stop is
Devil's Marbles, I think, in a couple of 100 k's.
Let's do it. How bloody mad is this joint?
This is amazing.
How do these rocks just form here?
This is incredible. It's definitely worth a stop, just off the highway.
Yeah, Devil's Marbles they call it. But we're going to take a little walk around, grab a couple of snappies, and just enjoy the moment, and then back in the ute, and yeah, carry on heading towards Medea Springs. So that was the Devil's Marbles, guys. What did you think?
That was pretty incredible.
It's pretty amazing how these rocks just sort of in the middle of nowhere. Like, look at them, how they're just balancing on top of another rock. It's pretty crazy.
Definitely worth a stop over if you're in the area.
Yeah, there's a campground here as well. We didn't stop here because no dogs allowed, but yeah, the campground I think is in the middle of the Devil's Marbles, which would be pretty cool, really. Unfortunately, can't fly the drone because I don't have a license, and yeah, I'm going to look into that. But anyway, we're back on the road, and next stop, Tennant Creek, just to put some diesel in, and we keep heading north. So we're just coming into Tennant Creek. Apparently the RGA burnt down here a few days ago, so you won't be able to get any groceries here, but we're only chasing fuel. Fuel lights come on, so I don't normally like to push it like that. I always normally go 3/4 and then look for a servo to fill up. But anyway, we're here, we made it. Quick stop, diesel, coffee, maybe something to eat, and we're just gonna keep going. I think we've still got another 500 kilometers to go, so we'll see. The wind is blowing pretty hard, so caravan is all over the place. But anyway, we just got to keep going.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down.
So guys, what a day. 10.5 hour drive, 700 kilometers down. And we're 2 k's from Mataranka homestead, where there might be a few travellers as well. So my bum's gone to sleep. I didn't know it could do that. But yeah, this is the biggest day we've driven.
Biggest day. Smash it out.
Yeah, we've done it. There was nothing between there to do, guys. So yeah, that's why we did it. So now we can spend Sunday or just tomorrow just chilling. So let's get there. Let's just get set up. It's going 5:30 now. I don't know what we need. Shower and light a fire, I reckon.
Shower, fire, and wine.
Oh yeah, and a beer. So here we are, guys. Set up. And look who's back. The Two Thirsty Travellers. Chris over there's starting the fire. Sophie's on the chairs. I'll tell you a little story about these chairs. So we went and bought 2 chairs for myself and Sue. And we did, if you might see 3. No, we didn't pick up a stranger. It's Sophie claimed one, so I went back and got another one. Anyway, as life goes on, we just gonna sit back, enjoy this evening, and tomorrow we're gonna take you to the hot, what do you call them? The like hot springs, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got a bit late, so we'll do it tomorrow. So yeah, see you in the morning.
A king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound.
So good morning. Bit of a big night last night, but it was good. We met up with 4 happy lappers as well, 2 thirsty travellers. So we're up this morning, feeling a little bit dusty, but we're at Bitter Springs, so it's about a 10-minute drive from where we camped, and yeah, let's go see what it's all about. I don't know how the audio is going to sound on this because it's wet, but how good were the hot springs, guys? We bloody enjoyed it. We go back tomorrow again. Just got a bit busy, so we left. But this afternoon, fire, 2 thirsty travellers. Just, yeah, they seem to just have, some alcoholic beverage in their hand every time. But anyway, guys, but dinner, Camp Oven, we got a curry on the go. Look at this. So I'm shotgunning the back seat for 2 thirsty travellers ute. Chris is driving, and I've managed to persuade him to stay another night, which is awesome. So we're in the car, we're going to Elsy National Park. Apparently there's a waterfall there, so we're going to go and have a little peekaboo and see what it's all about. There you go, we just arrived. Day use area. Fortunately the signs say no swimming, crocodile safety. Might get to see our first freshie, I don't know. But yeah, we're also teamed up with Adam and Mia that I used to deal with at Reese. They're also travelling on the road from Brizzy. So yeah, we're all together. We'll take a little walk. So after walking a bit the wrong way, we turned around, came back, and yeah, we found this. Might go in for a bit of a swim. It's freaking hot. So no signs of any crocs, so we'll take a walk and have a get wet. How bloody epic was that? Bloody hell, my heart was racing, but swimming when you know there's possibility of freshwater crocs around, but there's a group of us and water was clear and we were just swimming in the rock pool, so that was bloody epic. I hope to find some more of that up in the NT. But for now, back in Chris's ute, back to the camp. Just unwind this afternoon, no real plans. Chris and Carla leaving tomorrow, so yeah, I'm just going to sit around camp tomorrow and slowly pack up and maybe go for another swim at the hot spring near us. So yeah, let's jump in the ute and get back. Right, morning. Great evening last night catching up with Twothirstytravellers and Adam and Mia, but unfortunately it's departure day for Twothirstytravellers. They're heading off and we might see them at the next camp, but see you guys.
Bye.
So yeah, but we pack up today, so let's get into it. So guys, I thought I'd just take this time. The park's cleared out a little bit. It was pretty busy. It was a long weekend here in the NT. So I just want to give you a quick rundown of the park we stayed in. It's the Mataranka homestead. So it offers power and unpowered sites. We stayed in the unpowered sites at $30 a night. No power, no water. And yeah, there's no real designated sites as such. Sort of park up where you want to, and reception and bar area up there. We haven't really gone up there. We just, everything's on a budget, you know. But we've managed to park up here, and we've stayed 4 nights here. It's going to be hard to leave, but I've kept this little secret here, this park. So this park offers its own sort of hot spring called the Mataranka thermal pool. And there's not that many people, so I'm going to take you through and show you.
All my friends are still talking about drugs, saying feels like heaven, come and feel like us. All my friends are out drinking us dry, staying up till 7, still on a buzz. I wanna taste the honey. It feels like it's real, but I can't be sure. Now my eyes are bloody. No idea what I'm looking for.
Well guys, another good swim, but unfortunately all good things come to an end. That's the end of this vlog, I'm afraid. We had an awesome time here in where are we? Mataranka. All the springs and the nice little hikes we've done, but it's pack up day. So if you're enjoying the content, please hit the like and subscribe button and enjoy your week, and we'll see you next week Sunday. See ya.